Good morning, friends, and thanks for joining me on Feeling Good Again 7. I'm so excited to be with you for these shows because the road back to health and really feeling good again, having the energy and the vibrancy to live your life and have fun is extremely confusing. I know that from my own experiences years ago, but also over the 40 years of counseling people in medical clinics as well as clients. And, I want to share that with you because really, you may have heard some of these factors that are involved, like eating healthy foods. Yeah, it really makes a difference because it's the way we were designed, friends, for kids and adults. Yes, there's no age barrier here because when we choose healthier foods, the Mediterranean diet, and this is supported not only by the results all my patients have received, focusing on a variety of proteins, vegetables, essential fats, and making sure you understand the environmental factors that affect how we feel. I mean, we got to understand this stuff if we're going to survive, because I think many of you know this. I will review that disease is up on every level. And the reasons we will underline quickly a very important first lesson. So with that in mind, foods and herbs and supplements can really be your own best friends, but sometimes people have read and gotten the wrong advice. And so because what I do really works with people, and my books all will give you extra guidelines and research as well. So yes, exercise also is very important because it helps you to cleanse the waste out of our system and actually help with oxygenation. We get disconnected when we are working inside all the time or inside our homes that we need to oxygenate. So get yourself some plants. I mean, I'm out in my garden today and I'll be planting a new vegetable garden soon in Southern California. I'm fortunate to get started now. So as you apply these principles that I'll be sharing with you on the shows, you will experience more fun, even be able to reverse conditions you've been living with. Many people drop a lot of the medications that they don't need anymore because they don't have the symptoms, and are able to just feel better, do better on the job, do better in school, just enjoy your life at any age for children and adults. Number one health rule: the food you eat today becomes your body tomorrow. That is, if you digest and absorb the food and the nutrition from the food. Because those little bits of your carrots and your eggs and your beans and your chicken actually have to be broken down. They are supposed to be absorbed into the bloodstream, go to the liver, and then distributed to all the cells of the body, and that's what creates health. So we got some work to do, I'm sure, but today is the first day of the rest of your life. The food you eat today becomes your body tomorrow. That is, if you digest and absorb it. And there's a shortcut, a fast shortcut. I have found a quality aloe vera. I found Aloe Life, and boy, am I glad I did, because it's the highest quality aloe on the market in many, many, many easy to get locations, wonderful health food stores, brick and mortar, as well as online. I mean, it's everywhere. Aloe Life, juice or tablets. So chew your food better, because that gets the normal process of digestion working. And don't drink ice cold beverages with your meals. That freezes up the digestive enzymes we do produce in the pancreas. But ultimately, the research shows, the largest human study from the Tufts University with 77,000 doctors and nurses, after 10 years and then after 30 years, yes, it was the best study ever, showed it's a lack of food, okay, good food, skipping meals, very bad, causes a deficiency in the body and disease, and a lack of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, not enzymes. They really didn't even go there, because the body will make enzymes. If you are creating health in the body with vitamin E, and that is from, say, raw nuts and seeds, quality raw nuts and seeds, or leafy green vegetables that have E, and some beans have E in them, but we're deficient in E. So you may want to actually start with that supplement as one of your firsties, your overall daily supplements, okay? A quality aloe, because it's an herbal bitter, and it actually supports hydrochloric acid, which the studies show we need to optimize the food we eat. Athletes are always going to quality aloe. Many people in this field, track and field and more, choose Aloe Life to support their performance and stamina and recovery. And just a little bit goes a long way. A little bit for kids, a little bit because they're concentrates. That's why they work so fast. They get results. And so you do your part to feel good again, and in 45 to 90 days, guess what? Taken with a vitamin E and eating some healthier proteins and vegetables, a salad a day, maybe a soup a day, a stir fry with a variety of different proteins and beans. That's the Mediterranean diet, and chew, 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 and before you know it, you'll be able to get into many variety foods and feel good again. Thanks for joining me. Okay, join me on my next Feeling Good Again 7.